Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video here with this, what should we say, Toyota RAV4. It's got a 2-litre diesel in, and we have got these fault codes. It's glow plugs I'm not bothered about, mass flow, the plausibility, jammed valve, which again, the manifold runners and whatnot, and you've got DPF as well. Where was it? Where was the DPF here? Particulate filter lamp. So if you're getting all this fault, and on the dash it's coming up with engine lights and the ABS and whatnot, traction, this goes back to a few things. Obviously, we all know diesel are bad for DPF and the soot content. So what we would recommend as a starter would to reset this, do a DPF regen. This would hopefully cure it. If it obviously doesn't, a DPF regen is probably the cheapest option in this case to start off with. You need to give it a good run, obviously, to clog up. If that doesn't help, what I would recommend is to change the EGR, which is on the side here. The EGR valve knowing they clog up, so the swirl flaps don't work correctly, which causes engine limp mode and whatnot. That's what I would recommend doing. But when you do that at the same time, I would get the mechanics to open the O2 sensor there and clean the DPF, give it a wash, in other words. But that's what would be causing all these other issues to come up. Now, I wouldn't start like changing DPF and whatnot. Just the only thing I would recommend changing in these fault codes would be the EGR. Probably the cheapest option out of them all. Well, it's a few £100 anyway for the EGR. DPF's, you know, 700-800 quid depending on which one you get. It has to be same code number. After you've changed that, what I would recommend is resetting the values, the adaptation values, and hopefully that should cure it. That's what I've experienced in the past. The EGR, that kind of causes all this to fail and triggers all these faults.